Hey guys, a very good morning to all my crypto peculiars. So, have you all been curious about what's happening in the market? Don't you worry, the CoinMug's got you covered. Okay, so before starting with the updates, let's quickly quote today's headlines. Top Australian baseball club to pay players in Bitcoin. Shiba Inu is now supported by Samsung backed crypto wallet app. India might permit crypto as assets, zero out the currency factor. Portal partners with Polygon to advance DeFi on Bitcoin. So let's start off with our refresh feed. Firstly, nowadays many people get excited when they get payment in crypto. Just think what it is just becomes too normal. Just like your IRL money? Wouldn't it be cool then? So looks like the Australian Basketball Club has taken the first step for the same. It's interesting how they'll give their players payment in Bitcoin. Last time I saw this cool move by someone, it was probably in Death Note anime. Well, I'm getting used to being off topic. Let's go back to our inscription. Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies are becoming more common in the sports world. Perth Heat of the Australian Baseball League is the most recent team to enter the Bitcoin industry. The club stated on Wednesday that it had integrated cryptocurrency payments into its operations. The Heat announced a partnership with OpenNode to accept and send Lightning Network powered Bitcoin payments. Since the league's inception in 2010, the baseball club has won 4 ABL championships, making it one of Australia's most successful teams. It promises to be the world's first professional sports club to completely adopt cryptocurrency. The baseball's team name has been changed to the Bitcoin Baseball Team. We believe that by adopting the Bitcoin protocol's fundamental values, the organization will be able to achieve new levels of success both on and off the field, reminding the world of the actual importance of sports. We know the Perth Heat are viewed as success model in the community, and we hope that our adoption of a Bitcoin standard will inspire others to embrace a monetary system that requires value creation to thrive, Nelkowski added. The club also intends to hold Bitcoin on the club's balance sheet as part of its Bitcoin adoption efforts. Perth Heat's new Chief Bitcoin Officer Patrick O'Sullivan elaborated on the club's latest strategic decision. He claims it a means to protect its digital property rights on the world's most secure financial network. Moreover, Shiba has been in the news headlines recently for AMC as well as Samsung supported crypto wallet even after a huge betrayal by Elon Musk's tweets a few days ago. Looks like Shiba is on its way to take revenge from its ex. I mean, not literally, of course. Anyways, let's have a look. Zengo, the world's first keyless non-custodial cryptocurrency wallet, has announced that its customers can now trade and keep the Shiba Inu coin. Ari Gore, Zengo's head of communications, expressed his excitement to sponsorship since its community is vibrant, creative, and energetic. Face biometrics are used to create Zengo wallets, which may overcome some of the current issues with crypto storage. Also, as its rivalry with Dogecoin grows stronger, the fact that AMC will also accept Shiba plays a crucial role here too. Adam Aron, CEO of AMC Theatres, had some exciting news for Shiba Inu fans. The cinema giant, according to the declaration, will begin collecting SHIB payments in 4 months. BitPay, a cryptocurrency startup based in Atlanta, will handle the transaction. Shiba Inu will be accepted by AMC as the first BitPay customer. So moving forward, nowadays everyone has eyes on Indian authorities' stand on crypto. Man, last time I got this much attention, I was probably cutting my birthday cake or something. But this time, it seems some serious statements have been issues. Let's have a look. Lately, India's crypto industry has been gaining traction. Following the government's clarification of its position, this has occurred. For crypto aficionados in India, the key meeting on November 15 resulted in a happy outcome. As a result, discussions about crypto regulation began and the possibility of a blanket ban on crypto was ruled out. Cryptocurrencies, on the other hand, will not be accepted as legal money in any case. Furthermore, according to sources, the government intends to declare cryptocurrency an asset. Similar to stocks, gold, and bonds, companies, including exchanges and platforms, would be prohibited from exchanging into active solicitation. According to a source who spoke on the condition of anonymity, active soliciting would be illegal. The bill's details are being finalized. The negotiations concerning legislation would be submitted to the cabinet for consideration in 2 or 3 weeks, according to the source. According to reports, the bill may make it to Parliament's winter session. According to the source, regulatory discussions are ongoing. RBI Governor Shaktikanta Das counselled caution even after the Prime Minister's meeting, which endorsed a progressive and forward-looking posture. According to Das, I'd just like to point out that when the RBI, as the country's central bank entrusted with ensuring financial stability, acknowledges there are severe worries about macroeconomic and financial stability after appropriate internal decisions, there are deeper difficulties. I have yet to witness genuine, well informed debate on these problems in the public sphere. According to several crypto specialists, the need of the hour is to allow the ordinary man's interests in crypto to be protected so that the unlawful route is avoided. Instead of resisting the developing technology and crypto economy, the government will be able to take concrete steps against scammers and hackers. So, as y'all might have seen, we all are living in the era of crossovers and partnerships, whether it's real life Spider Man or real life crypto based companies, but they all bring huge and exciting benefits. Let's dive into our current inscription. Portal, a decentralized exchange and self custody wallet program, has announced a strategic cooperation deal with Polygon, a layer 2 blockchain network, to expand Bitcoin functionality in the DeFi market. Portal presently provides on-chain spot and options trading as well as peer-to-peer lending and borrowing. In addition to Polygon hosting a liquidity supporting node on Portal DEX, this agreement is expected to improve these users' capabilities by enabling zero-knowledge swap operations for WBTC BTC and POS WBTC to BTC. Portal's main goal is to create a self-governing, anonymous and uncensored Bitcoin environment over DeFi. The platform's usage of Bitcoin's hash time-locked contracts ensures that the user's transactions are secure, while Fabric, the platform's layer 3 technology, enables the deployment of common smart contracts capabilities like staking and liquidity. Dr. Chandra Dugirala, the executive chairman of Portal, spoke about the possibility for increased Bitcoin usability in the DeFi domain. Given that Portal is a DeFi layer on Bitcoin, we are excited to partner with Polygon to enable WBTC BTC and POS WBTC to BTC swaps. We believe that having liquid markets and enabling price discovery will appropriately price wrapped Bitcoin based on risk and enables increased usability for Bitcoin. So we would now wind up with our assessment for today morning and meet y'all in the evening with even more interesting stuff. Until then, you may consider joining our Telegram channel for free crypto signals. Visit our blog linked below for guides, reviews and tutorials, and subscribe to the channel and get daily updates about the crypto market. Lastly, with this little favor of CoinMonks, we hope you stay updated. Thanks for watching and have a nice day ahead.